This is going to be a brief introduction on how to use the style or symbology choice called predominant mapping or predominant category. This works well when you want to show two numeric values at the same time, two attributes that have numeric values associated with them at the same time, to show that it's called the strength of predominance, how strongly one category is over another. I'm going to demonstrate it using the 115th congressional districts, and I have to pick my two attributes that I want to compare. In this case, I know that I have numbers for, let's say, Obama 2008, as well as Obama 2012. After your two attributes are selected, you'll click on the Select a Drawing Style Predominant Category. And then from here, you can go and change the colors of the attributes, or you can leave them alone, however you choose. Note that it will show you this strength of predominance, which indicates how strongly that number is represented in that region. That's a little overview on predominant mapping. If you look in your legend, you'll be able to see that that's the information that's there. If you have any questions, let me know.